Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Diva Secrets. So guys, in today's video I'm going to teach you all how to make a whitening body scrub. But before then, if today is your first time of tuning into my YouTube channel, please feel free to hit the subscribe button and make sure to turn on the notification bell, because that is the only way you're going to be getting every of my upload. So guys, today we are making a whitening facial scrub. Yeah guys, so you can also use this facial scrub also on your body, but this is particularly made for the face. So I have all my ingredients laid out here, and I'm still going to leave the I'm going to leave my ingredients below my description box, so go and check out my description box and you will see all the ingredients laid out there. I have my oils, I have my glycerin, I have my honey, I have so many things that I will be using to make this whitening exfoliating facial scrub. So I have my Proplyenglycol also. This is going to help all our active ingredients to penetrate deep into our skin. So I'm going to be using coconut milk. This is going to moisturize your skin and is also going to tone your skin. So I have my preservative. Because of the coconut milk, we are going to be preserving this. And here is my whitening powders. I have my Kojic acid, I have my alpha Arbutin, I have my vitamin C powder, I have my alum powder, I have my soda, my baking soda, I have my licorice powder. So I have so many whitening powder. These are the whitening part of this facial scrub that is going to help to whitening or lightening your skin. So guys, here I have my waxes and my oils. I have my emulsified wax, my olive oil, I have my pineapple oil. So guys, if you don't know how to make my pineapple oil, go and check my pineapple oil video out. You're going to learn how to make your own pineapple oil. So I have already melted my waxes and my oils together. Yeah guys, my olive oil and my pineapple oil and my waxes, I have already melted them together. So what I'm going to do next guys is to add in my whitening powders. So I'm going to leave the name of my whitening powders below my description box. Make sure to check it out before you watch this video so that you will understand what I will be doing. So make sure to check it out, and you can use any whitening powders of your choice. It's not compulsory that you can use this that I'm using. You can use any whitening powders of your choice. So let's continue and keep watching guys. So you just have to put on your whitening powders and stir it together with your whitening, with your sugar. Yeah guys, so you can use coffee, you can use brown sugar, you can use any exfoliator of your choice. So in this case I'm using my white sugar to make this whitening facial scrub. So the next thing that I'll be doing guys is to add in my milk. But before then guys, my milk is very thick. I'm just going to take a little out of my milk and I'm going to warm it. Here guys, I'm going to warm this milk. So you can use any kind of milk of your choice. So me, I'm using coconut milk because coconut milk suits the skin very well. So I'm just going to warm my coconut milk. So guys, this is my oil, and inside my oil I added my orange colored. Yeah guys, I added my orange colored into this oil because I want my scrub to be beautiful. You know, I don't want my scrub to come whitish. I just want it to be a little bit beautiful. So I added my mica powder, orange colored powder, to my oils. So that is why you can see that my oils is looking like this. You can see how beautiful this look. Guys, this is not water, this is my oil and my wax. This is my oil and my wax, so I'm just going to pour it into my sugar. And stir them together. Man, this scrub is looking beautiful already. So keep stirring. Make sure to mix it very well. So now I'm going to be adding my coconut milk. Like I said before, guys, you can use any type of milk of your choice. So now I'm just going to give it a very good stir. So guys, now I'm going to add my glycerin, and I'm using everything organic. My glycerin is organic. Make sure to work with organic products. This way you're going to gain the benefits of your products, so make sure to work with organic products. They are kind of a bit expensive, but it's the best way to go. So now I'm going to add my lactic acid. So lactic acid is going to help to exfoliate your skin, like deep exfoliation. Apart from this scrub, lactic acid is going to help to exfoliate your skin, like really deep. So now I'm going to be adding my Proplyenglycol to this, and this is going to help all our active ingredients to penetrate into our skin. It's going to soften our skin. So that is the main function of Proplyenglycol. So I'm just mixing everything in together. And now I'm going to add honey. Honey is going to help to suit our skin, and honey helps to bring all our ingredients together. It helps to bind all ingredients together, and it helps to sort out irritation. Yeah guys, and now I'm going to add my lavender, but before then, let me add my preservative. Of course, you must preserve your scrub because of the coconut milk that we added into it. So if you are not adding any water base to your scrub, there is no need of preserving. If you're going to add any water base into your scrub, make sure to preserve it. So now I'm adding my lavender essential oil. And this is looking beautiful. This scrub is looking so yummy, and this is fluffy. So guys, make sure to work with glove. Make sure to work in a very clean environment, and make sure that your jar is clean, and make sure to spray. That part is very important. Work in a very good environment so that you're not going to be contaminating your skincare products. Spray with alcohol. Make sure there are no dust. And now I'm going to transfer this into my jar. guys, our scrub is ready. This is our whitening scrub. So this scrub, if you're dark in complexion, is going to brighten up your skin. If you're a dark person, this scrub is going to brighten up your skin. And if you're light in complexion, this scrub is going to lighten you more. So guys, thank you for watching. Please make sure to subscribe, hit the notification bell. You can see the bell at the up. After subscribing, make sure to hit the notification bell so that you will be getting every upload coming from my channel. Yeah guys, so if you want to buy any of my products, I do sell whitening powders. If you want to buy any of my handmade products, you can inbox me, and make sure to follow me on Instagram and Facebook. I'm going to leave the link below my description box. Guys, this scrub is very good. If you're a dark person, if you want to brighten up, this scrub is going to help to brighten you up. Yeah guys, but if you're a light person, it's going to lighten you more. And if you're a dark person, you just want to remain in your dark complexion and you just want to glow, please stay away from this scrub because of the whitening powders in this scrub. So you can check my other videos. I have so many other scrub for glowing skin, I have other scrub for brightening skin, and this is for whitening skin. So guys, stay tuned and see you soon in my other next video. So I don't know what I will be shooting next, but just stay connected and turn on the notification bell so that you will get every upload coming from my channel. I love you all. Happy New Year guys. Happy New Year guys, and make sure to leave your comments below my description box. I want to know every of my subscribers. Guys, please, I want to know every of my subscribers. Make sure to always leave your comments below. Leave your comment below and tell me where you're watching from. I want to connect with you people more. I can follow you up on your Instagram, or you can also follow me up on Instagram or Facebook. Let us be friends. Apart from being my subscribers, I also want us to be friends also. So stay tuned guys. I love you all, and subscribe, share my video. See you soon. Bye bye.